it's an in-depth article of how to get a wallet. Like, you got to get a Coinbase. Yeah. Because you should have one. And then you're going to use it and transfer into your MetaMask. And the MetaMask is going to be how you're going to connect to the thing that I'm selling. And I'm telling you right now, everything I've spent, every minute I've spent on the strategy is that the first fuckers that buy make money. Like, I'll make money, but I'm leaving money on the table. So my initial crew, and by the way, and this is the first time I'm announcing this, everybody needs to stay real close to my text, my emails, all my socials. I'm going to give out a ton of these coins, and minimum, on a bad day, I think they're worth 2,500 a piece from the get, and they're not coins. It's an NFT. It's not my currency, but it's going to be proper, and I can't wait to fucking put my community on.
Nah, I've been watching. I've been seeing all the. I knew all the cartoons were gonna add up to something, man. I knew all the sketches were gonna come up with something.
5-5, bro. Please hang up right now. And I don't know if you're a good reader. I'm not. Like, I'm not even sure the article I put up would really educate me. But like, do your homework. Like, understand what a MetaMask is. Make sure you have one.
I'm on it.
All right, Ben.
I'm on it.
All right, my man. We'll talk to you.
Bro.
See you soon. All right, let me read some of these. Let me see what's going on here. Thank you, Hakeem. Appreciate it. Cole, it's 212-931-5731, but it's not for everybody it's only for the U.S. I'm not going to do anything on text because blockchain is global, and I want to make sure everybody has a shot of winning. And so I'm real fucking excited. I'm really, really, really excited about this. Like, really, really excited. Here's one of my OG favorites. Let's see if he'll jump on.
What's up, man?
Tell everybody who you are and how long we've known each other.
Oh, goodness gracious. I'm Jeff Slobodsky at Slobodsky. We've known each other, man, 2008, 2009? It's been some time, man. How are you, brother?
I'm well. Brother.
Good.
You've gotten to see this whole thing happen over the last 12 years. I'm so excited about what I'm doing on May 5th. I'm not joking. You know me. I would never say this and ruin all that I've built for 25 years. I have so methodically thought through this project, and I thought about you because I'm not gonna give it all away, but you'll see why I thought about you during it, and I'm excited about it. I'm gonna make this community real fucking money. I'm gonna spend the next 45 years after May 5th to make sure everybody that supports this from day one fucking changes their children's life. That's how like obsessed I am with this.
With me, like, my kids are getting old, right? And they're like checking this all out. And it was like the old 86, 87 Flair basketball cards was my game, right? Like back in the day, and you bring that. And so now it's like, how do you explain this to kids that want to learn and know, like, this is it?
Well,
this is your next 5, 10 years.
What's really cool, Flo, is that, and you know this about me, like, I'm really going deep into all the aspects of the NFT. Like, the art will be cool and fresh and fun and collectible, but it goes way beyond that, this project. This is not about, here's my pictures, go buy them. It's way deeper, way deeper.
The article was good. It was helpful yesterday. I got MetaMask set up. Coinbase I've been playing with for probably close to a year now. Like, playing around with that a bit. So yeah, ready to roll. I'm excited. It's good, man. It's exciting. You're right.
I can't wait. It's good to see you, brother. It was great to see your face.
You too, brother. You too. We'll talk soon. All right.
Wait.
Well.
So what I'm really, really, really excited about. Let me see if my man here can come on.
I gotta jump out?
Yeah, jump out, brother.
Let's see. All right. Talk soon, Gary.
Talk soon. Thank you, Baking, for talking about 1:37 p.m. Let me see if my man here can join. Guam, what's good? Amir, what's good? Aljo, I'm trying to request you. I don't know if you're still with us. How much will a single project? First time here. What's the initial investments? Man, what's good? Oh, let's go. If you don't know these guys, if you don't know this crew, You do not know this crew right here that I just pinned. They're really doing it. Yes, I'm doing an open edition drop. Like, everybody will have accessibility. The accessibility will be monstrous. I have thought this through. I'm worried that $1,000, which is a half a ETH roughly, is too expensive for a lot of you. So I'm going to do a ton of giveaways, just giving you free fucking money, giving you. So I'm real happy. I made some adjustments, Bilal. I've upped it from 5,500 tokens, which was the original concept. I've changed it. So I'm really, really excited about it. I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna ask Breakpoint, see if he's here. So MetaMask, the article is in my bio, in my Instagram. What's good, bro?
What's up, man? I wasn't expecting that. I'm skiving off work at time. Two things, Gary. You changed my life a year and a half ago, and I thank you for that. And I'm not going to go too much into that, right? But generally, I've been waiting for this moment, and I want to thank you for that.
Thank you.
Secondly, there is an NFT project. I'm not going to say the name, right? Because I'm not trying to shill it. Even though they'll kill me for being on here and not shilling the name. They haven't focused on marketing at all, and I love that. I love that they're not paying for people to promote it. And I think the most important thing is the strength of the game, the product, and it will sell itself in the end. However, would you suggest anything otherwise going on that strategy?
Are taught 15 years ago. I was when I started YMIB TV. I was good. I had a game when it became 15 years later. That's exactly what's going to happen. The good
you mentioned a few important things of the NFT projects that will survive. Could you summarize that again? What you think is important?
I think
the one is I recognize those things. So
I think tremendous. The distance or so Discord is such. I learn, so the Discord culture of these projects or whatever the communities, but community. Number two, the DNA of the people that created the project. The reason I'm 100% confident about 5.5 when I drop this is I am only focused on every person that supports me on day one, makes more money, has more happiness, and has more fulfillment than I do in the project. The project I see right now is the reverse. The celebrity, the influencer, the IP, the entrepreneur is more focused on making money in the first day than they are on actually bringing value to the community. I structured the entire strategy and the entire project. I'm leaving ungodly amounts of money on the table day one so that you can make it if you buy it. Like,
I'm looking forward to that.
My entire strategy is that you can win on the resale, right? The other thing that matters tremendously is the access and what is in the smart contract.
So, I lied. Two more things. Is there a way to send you the name of the project so you can spend 5 minutes to? Because when you see it, I strongly believe you're just going to be exactly what you're talking about.
DM me.
And how do I get on that May 5th train? What are you saying?
So I'm keeping it super open. I did a lot of smart things. It launches May 5th. It's not over on May 5th. So I didn't want to. I'm desperately scared. Here's how I think about it. First and foremost, who I want to win from it is my family. And when I say my family, my best friends. I have many people who, in my life, who I want to help financially. And the way I structured this is the original people that own it are going to win a lot. So the first thing I thought about is what I'm holding back and what I'm giving to my sister, what I'm giving to my friend Tokyo Joe and Moose in LA, Robbie Turnick, people in my life, my admins, like my crew. Number one. Number two, I want to make sure when it drops that this community, the people that are on right this second, if they can afford it, and again, the floor, the way I structured it, is a half. So that's going to be about $1,000, which is real money. I don't think everybody just has a fucking $1,000. But
Sure, no,
the reason I started promoting and not making it a secret is if I give people enough time, they can sell a bunch of shit in their house and do all the stuff I talk about. Borrow,
I got some assets. I'm ready to go.
Just get to 1,000 because I'm so confident of what's going to happen over the course of a year or two. If they buy it, now I think it's going to go up quickly, but I don't want to make that promise. But I can definitely make the promise that in a year it will be in a much better place because I'm not going to be at the mercy of the global economy or what Bitcoin's at or Coinbase is at. I'm building an insular economy that disproportionately brings value to the original OGs. So how do you get in? You need to be prepared for
I'll look out for it
on May 5th. But the good news is there is going to be an open opportunity. I'm not doing this as like a drop or stay online. Like I'm making this as open, even the way I'm doing the bidding. Like I've thought about this for such a long time. This is to help give no advantage.
And I've sent that around. I think there's a big barrier with crypto in general to the mainstream. So it's a great thing you've done there with that. Again, value.
I'll be honest with you. I just want to continue to build karma and value.
I know that. Man, you have. I'm telling you, I can't explain it. There was a switch at the moment of responsibility in my life, and I'm completely changed, man. I appreciate it. Big up yourself.
I gotta go to a meeting. Love you guys.
Bye, name. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mama.
I've got to run. I've got a meeting that just started, but I hope you're all ready. Please go to my main profile right now. There's a link to article. Get a MetaMask immediately, so that you, and that's the article in my profile, so that you can then have one. I think you'll need one ETH. The floor is going to be a half a ETH the way I'm structuring it. Like there'll be some gas fees. I would have one ETH in there if you can. That's $2,000. So I don't say that lightly, but this is the time to sell all your video games and your sneakers and whatever the fuck you got, because it's going to be a big fucking deal.